Ben Ezra Synagogue. As I told you, here we can take photos. Inside, sometimes they don't allow us to take photos. We do our best to let you take photos.
I have to video at home. I've got a little blue book from when I was here, which they no longer sell. Now they've got little white books. A myth states that Ben Ezra Synagogue is built on the site where the Pharaoh's daughter found Moses, hidden in the reeds of the Nile. Thinking is the Exodus numbered approximately 635 Jews. It is the oldest Jewish temple in Cairo, dating from the 9th century.
And the newest one they found in Aswan. Imagine, in Elephantine Island, Chinom Temple, they found a Star of David in one of these.
In the 19th century, however, a huge cache of documents was found, which recorded the history and transactions of Cairo's Jewish community since the 11th century. These documents are now held at Cambridge University in England. The Bima. They say no photos, no video, but if you tip them, just shoot all you want. There was always a ladies' section, either behind the men or on the separate side of the synagogue, or relegated to the upstairs, just like the Muslims do in different places. Just like the Muslims. The Jews have always gone back and forth across the desert. Probably, hey, I hear the Pharaoh's hiring. He needs workers for his new temples. And then when they would get there, just more sand. Perhaps we should go back and try Iraq. The Geniza room is located on the upper level and one of the synagogue's most important architectural elements. It consists of a chamber. Old documents and books that were cast inside recorded the history of Jews in Egypt. So mikvah outside Midrash from the 12th century, rebuilt during the late 19th century. The plan is that of a typical basilica, 3 sections, 3 porticos, with the central one being the largest. The mikvah is at the foot of the synagogue. The 10 Commandments brought down from Mount Sinai by Charlton Heston.